Hey guys, Adam here with UI Design for Designers. Today I'll be talking to you about sending affirmations to your visitors about correctly or incorrectly completing a task on your website. And we'll be doing this on the motivational speaker template within the Wix template store. So what do I mean by sending affirmations to your visitors? A good example of this is using the form here on the template. So we'll start by entering my name, which I'll use my secret alias, Bill Nye. Don't tell anybody that. We're going to skip my email for now, and you'll see a little red outline appear, which is going to be a hint to what this video is about. We'll enter a fake phone number here, which is not my real number. If you need that, you can go to my website, and we'll type in a quick message. All right, so we've entered the information. We forgot the email. Now we'll click submit. You see this error message pop up telling me to please fill out this field. That right there is what I mean by an affirmation. You're basically anticipating your visitors' mistakes and telling them that A, they've done something wrong, and B, how to fix it. So I've seen this message, I see it's outlined red, and I know I need to do something. So I'll go back here to this field, and I will enter my email address, which is not my real email address, bill@gmail.com, and I'll be using this email throughout this video, so I do apologize to whoever actually owns that email, and we'll click submit. Now we'll see this positive message come up saying thank you for submitting, and that's the success telling us that we're good to go, we're good to move on. Now, the reason why this is really important is because when your visitors are on the website, you want to make their experience as easy and as seamless as possible. So when you tell them, hey, you've done something right, congrats, or hey, you've done something wrong, this is how you fix it, you're helping them throughout the website visit and kind of telling them where to go and pointing them in the right direction, or just saying thank you and you're good to move on. So when someone's filling out a contact form, the last thing you want is for them to successfully fill it out, but have them click submit and have there be no success message. So now they're waiting there, they're wondering, okay, is it loading? Is it done? Is it successful? So by sending a success message, you tell them, hey, you're good to go, you're all set, and you're good to move on. Okay, so that was the contact form. Another example of this is this email newsletter sign up here in the footer of the template. So again, we're gonna mess up on accident. So I'm gonna put in just Bill. We'll go ahead and click subscribe now. And you'll see again, outlined in red, and it'll say, please fill in a valid email address. So how do we fix this? We'll just do bill@gmail.com. Again, sending my apologies to whoever actually owns that email address. And we will click subscribe now. Okay, great. So now we see the success message pop up. You'll see thanks for subscribing, and we'll send news to your inbox. So now I know I'm good to go. I don't have to wait here. I'm good to scroll throughout the site and move on. Now, usually most apps that have messages like this, error and success messages, and most contact forms, they already have preset messages and these settings already filled out for you. But you at least want to check them to make sure that A, they fit your brand identity, and B, that they actually work and they're displaying correctly when you want them to display. Now, for this example, I will show you how to set your settings in the Wix shoutout form, which was this email newsletter sign up in the footer right here. So I'll go to my Wix editor. I will click on the shoutout widget, click settings, click settings again. And just a heads up, most of the time these error and success messages are found in the settings section within your widget or within your app or contact form or whatever element you're using on the site. So in this case, we'll scroll to the bottom, go ahead and click the thank you message, and you'll see the title text, thanks for subscribing, and the subtitle text, will send news to your inbox. So with that in mind, we'll go back to the website itself, check out the success message. You'll see the title, thanks for subscribing, and the subtitle, will send news to your inbox. So that's what this is. That's what these affirmations are. They are really important, believe it or not, for a user interface. And sometimes when you're designing a website, you get caught up in the design and in the processes of it, and you forget sometimes the little things like these error and success messages and these affirmations. So be sure every time you're building a site to go in there when you're making modifications to check it out, make sure that your messages are sticking to your brand identity, making sure that they're working and they are showing up, so you can guide your visitors throughout the website build and in the process and tell them, hey, you're good to go, or hey, you need to go back and fix something. So I hope I was able to help you out. Those are affirmations for your website visitors. If you did like the video and if you do want to see more, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.